Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
The noun. Kinds of nouns. You have already learned 4 kinds of nouns. Common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, and abstract nouns. Now learn a new kind of noun called material noun. Read these sentences aloud. Iron is a useful metal. The table is made of wood. Ladies wear jewelry made of silver and gold. Cotton is grown in India. The nouns iron, wood, silver, gold and cotton are the names of the material of which things can be made. They are called material nouns. A noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made is called a material noun. Look at the pictures and say aloud of which materials they are made.
Drag the common nouns out of the sentence given here and drop them in the box. The postman brings letters. Postman, letters. There are grapes in the basket. Grapes, basket. The cats are chasing the mice. Cats, mice. Naveen is a good boy. Boy. The birds are chirping. Birds. In each list, there is a noun that does not belong to it. Drag it and drop it in the bag. Bananas, onions, mangoes, apples. Onions. Chair, tailor, cobbler, carpenter. Chair. River, stream, rock, rivulet. Rock. Horse, dog, camel, peacock. Peacock. Burger, carrot, samosa, hot dog. Carrot.
The verb. Kinds of verbs. Look at the pictures, then read the sentences. Tom shut. The tailor made. Ashok struck. The sentences given are not complete. We want to know what Tom shut, what the tailor made, and whom Ashok struck. The verbs shut, made, stuck need some word or words after them to make the meaning clear. Now read the sentences. Tom shut the door. The tailor made a shirt. Ashok struck barley. Words that are added to complete the meaning of a verb are called objects. The door is the object of the verb shut. A shirt is the object of the verb made. Barley is the object of the verb struck. A verb that requires an object to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. Now read a new set of sentences. Birds fly. The baby cried. The sun shines. The verbs fly, cried, and shines do not require an object to complete the sense. They make complete sense by themselves. Such verbs are called intransitive verbs. Note: a verb that does not require an object but makes good sense by itself is called an intransitive verb. Read aloud some more examples.
Pick out the object of the verb in each sentence and drop it in the bag. Raman is reading a book. Book. Sheila is washing clothes. Clothes. Binny is buying groceries. Groceries. The cook is cutting the vegetables. Vegetables. Aman is writing a letter. Letter. Pick out the complements in these trans to verbs and drop them in the bag. Mother looks sad. Sad. The baby is healthy. Healthy. The weather seems chilly. Chilly. The student looked happy. Happy. The garden looks blooming. Blooming. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.